In this week's CCJ Tech Shorts, we'll take a look at Bridgestone and Geotab's fleet mobility ecosystem, Trucker Path's newest partnership, a fleet maintenance and lifecycle management company's new integration with a fleet telematics software company, and more. Welcome to CCJ's Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's Tech Editor, Angel Coker. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started. Bridgestone Americas and Geotab have partnered to develop a fleet mobility ecosystem focused on fleet optimization. Under the executed agreements, Bridgestone has obtained access to Geotab's intelligent transport system consisting of anonymized data from 4.5 million connected vehicles. Bridgestone will use this data to inform its mobility solutions business by identifying large fleet trends and behaviors to optimize efficiency while also potentially quantifying any impact on fleet decarbonization efforts. Geotab has secured access to a collection of anonymized Bridgestone Mobility Solutions fleet insights such as location, speed, vehicle type, and transportation routes. Geotab will use this information to train its artificial intelligence models. Bridgestone will use Geotab's aggregated insights on commercial freight and fleet activity to inform planning, analyze network gaps, and gain deeper contextual intelligence. The Geotab ITS platform will also give Bridgestone advanced visibility into regional vehicle types as well as fleet operational profiles and industries. The ITS platform enables Bridgestone to expand its existing industry presence, fuel the growth of its nationwide service network, and penetrate emerging new markets. TAT, formerly Truckers Against Trafficking, has joined Trucker Path, a mobile app for North American truckers. This partnership adds the organization's report feature to the app, extending its reach to Trucker Path users and enabling them to easily access information needed to report a suspected human trafficking event. TAT's executive director said, "The more truck drivers we can educate on what to look for and how to report an incident, the greater our chances of disrupting human trafficking. When truckers and others in transportation find themselves in the right place at the right time and are empowered to know the right way to respond in the moment, not only can trafficking be reported, but lives can be changed and saved. We're excited to think about how this partnership will increase the visibility of these efforts." Established in 2009, TAT's mission is to educate, equip, empower, and mobilize members of key industries and agencies to combat human trafficking. The American Trucking Association's Women in Motion Council has also joined Trucker Path to identify truck stops with key amenities identified as necessities by female drivers. ATA Women in Motion's mission is to empower and connect women across the transportation industry by cultivating and nurturing a safer environment. ATA's Vice President of Industry Affairs said, "The ability of the Trucker Path app to search for women in motion-friendly truck stops makes the road safer for female drivers and helps us recruit the next generation of drivers that our industry so desperately needs." Fleetio, a software company that specializes in fleet maintenance and lifecycle management, has a new integration with fleet telematics software company Razor Tracking. This partnership expands the offerings of both providers to enhance fleet management and maintenance for mutual customers. Fleetio's cloud and mobile-based fleet maintenance management solution enables fleets of all sizes to improve fleet operations and manage assets from any location. Fleets can automate in-house and outsource maintenance management, receive recall alerts, and track fuel, vehicle inspections, parts, vendors, and much more. In addition, Fleetio's marketplace ecosystem of industry partners enables fleets to improve fleet operations processes, optimize workflows, and centralize fleet data. Razor Tracking streamlines fleet management through dispatching, driver location insights, details on equipment performance, and video telematics. The company's real-time vehicle tracking ensures crew members are in the correct field and making deliveries to the right location while increasing transparency. Fleets can also gain peace of mind with an increased focus on safety through alerts for speeding vehicles, harsh braking, poor driving, and weather overlays. Zonar, which the California Air Resources Board recently certified as a telematics provider to participate in its Clean Truck Check program, has rolled out the general availability of Zonar Emissions Check, its new solution that enables on-route compliance, reduces downtime, and lowers third-party operational costs. CARB certification allows Zonar to use its V4 telematics control unit as a continually connected device to conduct emissions scans on vehicles that meet CTC requirements. Emissions Check, which delivers accurate pass-fail results without taking vehicles offline for testing, simplifies fleet operations and eliminates the need for dispatch to reroute drivers to testing facilities or require maintenance teams to run additional tests. This saves fleets significant time and money with enhanced fleet efficiency and productivity, while streamlining the process by only sharing emissions check data directly with CARB when required. The first testing window opened October 1st, and enforcement will begin on January 1st, 2025. When emissions check is paired with diagnostic and predictive fault code reporting with Zonar Fault IQ, customers can also receive notifications of emissions faults to fix before potential testing failures for a full end-to-end fleet health and safety solution. That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.